But if you know what you're doing in there, Subway bangs. Good morning. Today is January 2nd, 2025. It's around 9 a.m. right now. I just spent the first night in my new apartment and it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. The neighbors were causing a ruckus yesterday though. This is what I was hearing at 10:30 last night. Yeah, I don't know. Might have been installing a shelf or something. One thing my brother told me when he moved to Boston was that East Coast actually gets quite a bit of sun, unlike Seattle where it's cloudy and gloomy like every day. Although it is really cold out here, there's some blue in the sky, and I like that. It's just cold as a mug out here.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I want to be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing.
There's this big ass cemetery right next to downtown. Like huge. I picked up a mattress. We got a mattress. To Home Goods. Oh my gosh, I love Home Goods. Home Goods has like everything. Back at Target now to get water purifier. So they had a fern, so I bought a fern. Beautiful. You need living things in your house, you know? Kind of, you know, Subway. Can I get a foot-long Italian herbs and cheese, please? Thank you. Italian herbs and cheese, cold cut combo with some other stuff. You know how it is. Bro, Subway bangs. I mean, people knock it just because it's like fast food. But if you know what you're doing in there, Subway bangs.
These little town blues are melting away. I'm gonna make a brand new start of it.
Dude, this table's probably like 120 pounds.
In old New York. And if I can make it there, I'm gonna make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York. New York. New York.
Yo, that's the third one I've seen today. It is snowing. It's like sunny over here. There's like no clouds. But it's like snowing.